हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम से रिलेटेड कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हमारे नए चैनल पे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द इनिशियल स्टेप इन द डाइजेशन ऑफ मिल्क इज कैरीड आउट बाय ऑप्शन ए लाइपेज, ऑप्शन बी ट्रिप्सिन, ऑप्शन डी रेनिन या ऑप्शन D. Pepsin. Our correct option is option D. Pepsin. Question number 2. Fructose is absorbed in the blood through the mucous cell of intestine by the process called option A. Active transport, option B. Facilitated transport, option C. Simple diffusion, option D. Co-transport. Our correct option is option B. Facilitated transport. Question number 3. Carrier ions like Na plus facilitate the absorption of substance like option A amino acid, option B glucose and fatty acid, option C fatty acid and glycerol, option D fructose and some amino acid. Our correct answer is option B glucose and fatty acid. Question number 4. If for some reason our globulate cells are non-functional, this will adversely affect option A production of somatostatin, option B secretion of sebum from the sebaceous gland, option C maturation of sperm, option D smooth movement of food down the intestine. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 5. Which one of the following pairs of food component in human reaches the stomach totally undigested? Option A protein and starch, option B starch and fat, option C fat and cellulose या option D starch and cellulose. Our correct answer is option C fat and cellulose. Question number 6. Epithelial cells of intestine involved in the food absorption on their surface. Option A pinocytic vesicle, option B phagocytic vesicle, option C zymogen granules या option D microvilli. So our correct option is option D. Microvilli. Number 7. Which one of the following is amino acid an essential part of the human body? Option A glycine, option B phenylalanine, option C casein या option D aspartic acid. Our correct option is option B phenylalanine. So our next question number 8. Which is the following is the richest source of vitamin 12? Option A goat liver and spirulina, option B chocolate and green gram, option C rice and hen's egg, या option D carrot and chicken breast. So our correct answer is option A goat liver and spirulina. Question number 9. Which of the following organ help in digestion of glucose, fatty acid and amino acid? Option A large intestine, option B small intestine, option C stomach, option D none of these. Our correct option is option B small intestine. Question number 10. The layer of cells that secrete the enamel of tooth. Option A dentoblast, option B amyloblast, option C osteoblast या option D odontoblast. Option D odontoblast. 11. The essential chemical components of many coenzymes are option A protein, option B nucleic acid, option C carbohydrates या option D vitamin. So our correct option is option D vitamin. Question number 12. The small projection of upper surface of tongue are called option A perineum, option B papillae, option C taste bud या option D none of these. So correct option is option B papillae. Question number 13. Mucosa form the gland in the stomach are called option A mucosal gland, option B gastric gland, option C intestinal gland या option D none of these. So our correct option is option B gastric gland. Question number 14. Hepatic lobules are covered by a thin connective tissue are called option A hepatic cells, option B glycan capsule, option C cystic duct या option D none of these. Our correct option is option B. Question number 15. Which of the following process controls the passage of food in the stomach? Option A peristalsis, option B gastroesophageal sphincter, option D degurgitation, option D chyme. So our correct option is option B, gastroesophageal sphincter. Question number 16. In which of the following pair is insoluble and cannot be absorbed in the blood? Option A, fatty acid and glycerol. Option B, glucose and fatty acid. Option C, fat and cellulose. Option D, fructose and some amino acid. So our correct option is option A, fatty acid and glycerol. Question number 17. Most of the fat digestion occurs in option A, rectum. Option B, small intestine. Option D, stomach. या ऑप्शन डी ड्यूडेनम. तो our करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी. अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें.